In this video, we will be looking at the binary search algorithm with a particular focus on the demonstration of using a binary search on a list of strings. At this point, it's worth remembering that a binary search prerequisite is that the data must be sorted. So if we look at our original data list, we can see this is in ascending alphabetical order. So stage one of our binary search would be to choose our midpoint. In this case, you can see that I've highlighted mouse and I have wrote on midpoint. This is a great way to show in an examination a pupil understands the midpoint within their list. And we're now going to show the test we are going to make. That parrot is to the right of mouse. So that means we're going to ignore the midpoint and elements to the left. And you'll notice that this is grayed out. That means the data has not been deleted, it's just being ignored. So we're now going to go back to step one, which is find our midpoint. Remembering our sublist is parrot, rhino and tent. Therefore our midpoint is rhino. Again, make sure you label this as midpoint. Great way to show an examiner you understand midpoints, and then show the examiner the test that you're doing. That parrot is to the left of rhino. So that means we are going to ignore rhino and tent. In other words, the midpoint to the right. And we found our midpoint again, and that only leaves parrot as one element in the list, and we have found our element that we are searching for.